In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Gumroad with Google Sheets for sales tracking in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Connecting Gumroad with Google Sheets allows your sales data to update automatically inside a spreadsheet. This makes it much easier to track revenue, customer information, product sales, and purchase history without manual work. Now, if you want to integrate Gumroad with Google Sheets for sales tracking, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to your account settings and open the Advanced or API section. After that, generate or copy your Gumroad API key because you will need it to connect Gumroad with external automation tools. Then, open your automation platform such as Zapier and create a new automation workflow. Now, choose Gumroad as the trigger application. After that, connect your Gumroad account using the API key or access token. Then, select the sales event you want to track, such as new purchases, new customers, or completed sales. Next, choose Google Sheets as the action application. After that, select the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want your sales data to appear. Then, map the fields you want to track, such as customer name, email address, product name, price, purchase date, or revenue information. Once everything is configured, test the automation to confirm sales data is being added correctly to your spreadsheet. After that, publish or enable the automation workflow. Usually, integration issues happen because of invalid API keys, incorrect spreadsheet permissions, or field mapping errors. So carefully review your setup before activating the automation. That's it. By connecting Gumroad with Google Sheets properly, you can automatically track sales data and manage your revenue reporting much more easily.